Hi, I'm Nicole, but everyone calls me Nikki. I have been in sales for about 14 years. The last 2 years I've worked here at Vapor Honing Technologies. Like you, I didn't know a whole lot about vapor honing when I started here, and 90% of my training came from watching YouTube videos where Jonathan took great pride in educating everyday Joes like myself. So this is truly a revolutionary technology, and I'm amazed every time I see the finish. Working at Vapor Honing Technologies has made me feel like I'm part of something larger and greater than myself. Seeing the growth and the change that has taken place in this company in just the 2 short years that I've been here has been amazing, and I take great pride to know that I've been a part of the VHT culture and family. Growth is one of the greatest accomplishments I think that anyone can achieve. I constantly learn something new every day on the job. Knowing that what we do here can change someone's life for the better, I mean, what could be better than that? So one of my most favorite memories is of John and Melissa Solis. They have a VH800, and as it would turn out, this cabinet became home to a chicken and her eggs. Imagine their surprise when they find this chicken has made a home there. Now, who knew? So when they build their new shop, there's a lot of cleanup on aisle 3 that has to take place. So lots of laughing going on as we're telling this story, as the eggs are being relocated, chickens are being moved, everyone's being chased. It's all good and fun in the VH800 cabinet. Thank you very much, John and Melissa Solis, for being a part of our family.